Hi there. If you've chosen to watch this short video, I take it you've got some interest in online trading, right? Can I ask you a question? What trading strategy works best for you? In our views, Elliott wave trading is arguably the most profitable trading strategy out there. Here's why we feel so. 1. When correctly counted, it shows you the portion of the trend that's most profitable to trade, and that's wave number 3. 2. With Elliott waves, you're able to identify the end of the trend and when to precisely close your position. 3. You're able to identify clearly the counter trends, which are wave 2 and 4, and then avoid trading them. 4. You can tell when a new trend is beginning. 5. Elliott wave trading is a high probability trading with decent risk-reward ratio. While the above is true, sadly, there's also another truth. The wave count can be difficult or confusing. Ask 5 traders to do the count for you. You might get 5 different counts. It's a problem that was true then, and it's true till this day. We've found a fix for this confusion. We've created a trading tool with smart algorithms that are able to analyze the markets constantly for waves 1, 3, and 5. It's called EWTI, Elliott Wave Trader Indicator. Once these waves are identified, they send out notifications to our members to trade them. Here are a couple of examples. Take a look at this chart above. You should be able to clearly see wave 1 and wave 3 buy signals from the Elliott Wave Trader with decent pips gain. And this. On this second chart above, you can see a clear sell signal alert, picked up by the Elliott Wave Trader. Simply grab it when you receive the notification and trade it on your preferred broker. And this one. Finally, on this third chart above, there is a clear wave 3 buy signal from the trading tool. That one made a 215 pips gain. All you do when you receive the alert is pick the signal and head up to your preferred broker to place the trade. The tool does all the wave analysis for you, so you don't have to get involved in the confusion. That's exactly what you get when trading with Elliott Wave Trader. It supports MT4 platform. Install the tool on your MT4 platform, grab the signals from there, and then trade them on your preferred broker. We're currently offering a 2-week free trial. Enter your details below to be granted access to the 2-week trial.